The DOPGIB Greenery Grass Wall Roll provides a large continuous panel of faux boxwood that covers a substantial area, making it ideal for quickly creating a lush privacy screen or backdrop. Its foliage looks convincingly natural, with varied leaf textures and depth that mimic real greenery without the need for watering or ongoing maintenance. The roll format, combined with a flexible yet sturdy backing, makes it easy to cut to size and shape around corners, railings, or awkward spaces. Included fastening strips and built-in connectors allow for straightforward installation on fences, walls, trellises, and other structures, even for people who are not very handy. The ultraviolet-resistant material helps the greenery maintain its color and density when used outdoors, reducing fading and keeping the wall looking fresh over time. Because it works equally well for patios, balconies, event backdrops, and interior accent walls, this roll is a versatile option for adding greenery where real plants would be impractical.